Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Rich Star. I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys have seen from the title, today we are going to be talking about products that you can use to build your own makeup kit, and these products are all around 500 rupees or under 500 rupees, and they are all affordable and good products. So yeah, let's get started. If you're a beginner at makeup and you're looking to build your own kit, then you should definitely keep watching this video, and this might come in handy or helpful to you guys. And if you're just a makeup lover but not a beginner, then definitely keep watching this video because we're going to be talking about some amazing products. Before I start with the products, let me tell you that I've used all these products and created a look, and I have posted that on my Instagram channel. I will leave my handle up here so that you guys can go and check it out if you want and see how the products work on my face. And now let's get into the video. I'm not going to be talking about moisturizer today in this video because I think everybody has their own skincare routine, so use whatever works for you. But I'm going to start this video with the primer. So for primer, I have the Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. So this has a very smooth velvety texture and it really blurs out your pore. So this comes for rupees 499 rupees, which is under our budget. Foundation, I have the Maybelline Fit Me Flawless foundation. This retails for rupees 550 rupees and comes in 18 different shades. They have a smaller version of it which retails for I think rupees 299 rupees. The only problem is you will get lesser shades over there. I mean, with the smaller packaging it has 6 shades, whereas this one has 18 shades, so you might or might not get your shade in the smaller one. So the best thing would be to wait for a sale to happen and then grab this one under 500 rupees. For concealers, I have two options for you guys. Number one is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this retails for rupees 475 rupees, and they have 9 shades, so you're definitely gonna find your shade over there. But if you're looking for something more inexpensive, then this is the other option that I have for you guys. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This retails for rupees 399 rupees, and it also does its job like really well. For loose powder, I have this Blooming Face powder from Miss Claire. This is in the shade 02, and this is a good loose powder. This comes for rupees I think 375 or around that range, and I have been using this for years now. I also started off with this one. So if you're a makeup beginner and you're looking for a loose powder, then definitely give this a try. So next for blush, I have two options again. This one is from Wet n Wild. This is Broken, I'm sorry, but this is in the shade Apricot in the middle, and this retails for rupees 299 rupees. And on the other hand, I have this blush from Sugar. This retails for I think rupees 350. This is the Salmon Superstar. Like, both of them are good. If you are looking for something brighter, like brighter pinks or orange, then definitely go and check out the Wet n Wild colors. And if you're looking for something a bit more muted, like a darker berry blush or a muted peach blush, then definitely go for Sugar and check out their collection. But both of them are equally good, so any of them would be like a good investment for your makeup kit. For contour powder, I have this shade from Sugar. This is the Sugar Contour de Force mini bronzer. This is in the shade Taupe Topper, and this is one of my favorite contour powders ever. I think you guys have seen me using this in a lot of my videos, and this retails for rupees 399 rupees. What I like about this product is that this color, this is a very cool tone brown, so it like really helps you create those shadows on your face when you're contouring without making you look really orangey or bronzed up. So I really like this contour powder, and it's well under our budget again, so you should definitely give this a try. For highlighter, I have this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals, and it is really beautiful. Let me just swatch it for you guys. If you are actually looking for something under the budget, this is a perfect match for that. This retails for rupees 499 rupees. That's what I was checking, and yeah, it's a very good highlighter. You should definitely give this a try as well. My last product for face, that is the setting spray, is also from Wet n Wild. This is the Dewy Finish or Natural Finish setting spray, not Dewy Finish, and this retails for rupees 599 rupees. But Wet n Wild is like mostly on sale on purple.com, so you will definitely get it for under 500. But if you're looking for a matte finish primer, not a primer, setting spray, then the matte finish version of this, like the Wet n Wild setting spray, is for rupees 450 or 499. So you can definitely go and check that one out. Coming to eyes, the most important thing is an eyeshadow palette, and that too again from Wet n Wild, I know. But this is amazing. I actually bought it recently because I wanted to try it out, and I know like most people or most YouTubers have the Rose in the Air palette, or that's the palette which is more talked about. But this one caught my eye because, you know, if you're a beginner, you want to start with basic things. So for me, it's very important to have like a good transition color, good shimmery colors like golden and rose gold, and like a inner corner highlight color, and also a black. I mean, a matte black is an essential for me, and that's the reason I love this color shade, the colors that is going on here, the color story. And there are 4 shimmer shades, as you can see, and these are the transition or shades that you can use on your outer corners. And as I said, there's a black which I think is a must, especially for a beginner. If this is the only palette you're going to use, you are going to need a black matte eyeshadow. I am really shocked, like I didn't expect this to work so well, but it did, and I really loved this eyeshadow palette. Also, did I mention this is the My Glamour Squad palette? Like this is the variant My Glamour Squad. For eyebrow pencils, I have 2 options for you guys. One is from Faces. This is the Faces Ultime Pro eyebrow pencil. This used to have a spoolie behind it, which I have, I don't know, lost. This is really old, so I will try to put a picture in here just to show you how it actually looks, not this broken version of it. But this is in the shade brown, and this is the shade. I like the pencil, I like the spoolie, I like the formula, but I think I got the wrong shade. This one is in brown. It makes my eyebrows look a bit funny. I should have maybe gotten the other shade. I think there's a shade called Tan, and it's a good deal again if you're looking for a good eyebrow pencil. Next I have is the Sugar eyebrow pencil. You guys know this is my favorite eyebrow pencil ever, till something else replaces it, of course. This retails for I think around 499 rupees, and again this has a spoolie on one end and the product on the other end. It's really easy to use, and the best thing I like is the shade. This shade which is Taupe Tom, this matches my eyebrows exactly, so it doesn't look funny or, you know, different. So this is like the most convenient thing that has ever happened to me. So these 2 would be my recommendation if you want, or if you're looking for an eyebrow pencil under rupees 500. For kajal, I have 2 options. One is the Plum Nature Studio kajal. This is really intense, as you can see, and if you let it sit for some time and try smudging it, it doesn't smudge at all. So this retails for 495 rupees, and it's an amazing option to go for. The next one that I have is from K Beauty. This is the 24-hour kajal, and this is in the shade Spade. This again works like the plum one. If you put it on, it's really dark, and if you let it sit for some time and then try to smudge it, it won't smudge. Even if you put water on it and try to smudge it, it won't smudge. I know this because I tried it out. So this has to be my current favorite when it comes to kajal, so I couldn't help but mention this. This I think is for 250 rupees, and you should definitely give this a try. Next, for liner, I again have the K Beauty liner. I love how thin the wand is. It's really easy to, you know, do a wing with it. I hope you guys can see. And this is again very black and very intense. Although I like my liner to be matte, but this is not matte. This is more of a, I would say, velvety finish or a satiny finish. It's not glossy, but it's also not matte, so it's somewhere in the between. But I love how thin the wand is, how easy it's to apply, so it's really convenient. This retails for 499 rupees, and again this is an amazing deal, so you should definitely check this one out. Next up, for mascara, I have the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is retails for 405 rupees, but this is amazing. I've been using this for years, since my student days, and I loved this one. This is very handy, very convenient to use. It gives you volume, and you should definitely try this out. I think I've taken this way too seriously. I've also included lip liners in it. I mean, if you're a beginner, you might not need it, but in case you do, I just wanted to mention it. This one is from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liners, and this one is from Maybelline. This is the Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. Both of them retail for 350 rupees, and they have a good shade range, so you're definitely going to find what you want. Now this one has a retractable pencil, and the other one is like a normal wooden pencil which you need to sharpen. Either ways, you're going to get a good one. And yeah, these two are my recommendations under 500 rupees. Let's talk about lipsticks now, because any makeup kit is like incomplete without lipsticks. The first option I have is a nude lipstick. This is the shade Best Babe from Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and this retails for 350 rupees. So even if you're a beginner, or if you're not a beginner, a nude shade is like a must in your makeup kit. And this is a very like pretty pink nude shade that you really should have. And if you want to check out the shade of this one, then again, as I said, go over to my Insta channel, and I have already done a video and I'm using this there, so you will definitely see me wearing it. And the next shade I have is a red shade. This is from Wet n Wild again. This is the Catsuit liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Missy and Fierce, and this retails for I think around 499 or 495 rupees. And it's a beautiful red, bright red shade. As you can see, the formula is really good. It's creamy and it settles down into a matte finish. So again, you can definitely try this one out. The last shade I have is from Lakme. This is the Lakme Liquid Lip Color, Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Red Wine, and this retails for around 250 rupees. I've already done a swatch and review video on these. I will leave the link up here. This is such an affordable product. So especially if you're a beginner and if you're looking to buy a lipstick that's under 500, this is under 250. So you can buy maybe 2 shades from this range. And this is a very good everyday affordable lipstick, so I had to talk about it. The next thing I have are false eyelashes, and I know if you're a beginner you might not be into false eyelashes, but anyway, I just wanted to mention it if in case it interests any of you. Then definitely go for the pack false eyelashes. This is I think priced at 375 rupees, and this one is in the number 54. This is one of my favorite eyelashes. It looks very natural. It doesn't look very heavy. And if you're starting out, you would want something light on your eyes. So this is a very good option for that. But this doesn't come with a glue, like a lash glue. So you have to buy that separately. And for that, I would recommend going for the Miss Claire eyelash glue. If you get the black one, then that's really good because it easily hides. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful to build your beginner's makeup kit. If you thought that the prices were a bit too high for your range, then don't worry, I will soon come up with a video where I talk about products that are under 300 rupees. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see something like this. And that's it. If you liked it, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.